Micah Shepard, thank you for joining us at Motor India's coverage here at ACMA Automechanika 2026. We are here at this important show. If you can run us through, Schaeffler's focus this year at the exhibition.
So first of all, it's a pleasure to have a chance to meet with Motor India once again at the Automechanika here in Delhi. Here at this booth display, I think we're exhibiting many of our new products. Of course, Schaeffler Vehicle Lifetime Solution, our aftermarket business, have expanded into more sectors beyond passenger vehicles to expand also into the, of course, commercial vehicle as well as tractor. But our new segment, which we launched, is the tubular segment. So that's the first product which we're first time displaying ever here in India. In addition, we're also displaying our new electronic products after the acquisition of Vitesco Technologies. So you can see a lot of the injectors, for example, the sensoring technology, which is coming with the product portfolio from Vitesco as well. And then last but not least, we also exhibit some of our fully EV products as well. You can also see the rep set, repair set, which comes into an EV application. So these are just some of the different new attributes which we show at this booth this year in Automechanika.
Sharad, if you would want to elaborate on that, how important are these new launches and the existing product range that you have offered here for the Indian automotive aftermarket?
No, thanks again. We thank Motor India for giving us this platform to share our views, and it's a very, very pertinent question. Indian aftermarket is definitely one of the fastest growing in the aftermarket in the world, and no place for us to be here that we continue to kind of enforce our product basket with an assortment of the product let's say ranges, be it the transmission, be it the chassis, or be it the engine platform. And for us, as Micah rightly mentioned, this year we would be having a very, very strong focus into the penetration of the two-wheeler aftermarket space. And that's what we see here. We have an assortment of products lying on the two-wheeler aftermarket space. We are bringing in technologies from erstwhile Vitesco, which is related to the sensors portfolio. We are also introducing transmission, clutches, brake pads related to the chassis portfolio, etc. So that would be our key focus for this year.
Well, you mentioned the key focus, Sharad. Would you agree that the automotive aftermarket in India is becoming far more organized and demanding? In that sense, what are the key megatrends and challenges that you see Schaeffler facing, and how are you readying yourself for all megatrends that you see in India?
Well, I mean, I think the megatrends in India also are probably similar to many other markets globally. I mean, I think first is the availability of products. So making sure that we have an efficient and a supply chain network throughout India. And I think this is one of the things that Schaeffler has further expanded our network of our distribution network in India to make sure that we can cover the market. Second is the catalog system of products. I know in many markets this is also very challenging. So our catalog system and being able to identify the right product for that application is something that we're continuing to build up our data management team in order to support part identification. In addition, when you come to megatrends, of course, being able to have cost-efficient products. So working together with our manufacturing plants here in India, bringing more localization, as well as continue to bring different design capabilities that can support the aftermarket needs is something else that we also have developed in the last year. We also have developed our own R&D team for our independent aftermarket, which we have recently started to launch products within the last year as well.
While design and development and availability of products are the key and important, for the customers and the suppliers, how are you ensuring on-ground presence in strengthening your distribution network or the channel partners in India? How are they being prepared or being ready for the change and the new products that you have?
I think the full pass goes to the complete sort of a very robust distribution network we have. We call it as our business partners down the line, from our distribution partners, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, and getting our products being moved into the garage network. So that's one. And of course, we are having a very, very strong sales force that is encompassing all the four corners of India, which are spread across various cities, various geographies, various territories, etc., which are being managing this whole distribution network through this value chain, what I just mentioned about.
Would you want to just tell us a number and the strength that you hold in terms of distributors, retailers, and organized mechanics that you serve to?
Giving a number would be, I think, difficult because as we speak right now, each day we are expanding our network. But I would say we have a very, very strong presence, more or less covering all the 4 zones in India.
While this 2026 ACMA Automechanika is the largest show by the aftermarket industry has put together, how excited you are and what excites you particularly for the year 2026 in terms of near to medium term targets and goals for your company?
Okay, so I mean, definitely coming to the Automechanika here in Delhi is always exciting. First, to meet up with our partners that we have here in India. Second, also to meet potentially new partners. It's always good also to be able to display Schaeffler products so that the general public also knows more about Schaeffler and also about all the different product brands. I mean, if you look at Schaeffler, we have 4 different product brands within our portfolio. We have the historical loop product, which is producing the transmission products, the INA brand, which is producing the engine-related system products, FAG, which is geared towards chassis-related, and now with Vitesco, as I mentioned earlier, we're geared towards more electronics applications. So, and sorry, last but not least, we also have the Schaeffler True Power brand, which is also the consumable products. So I think Schaeffler has one of the most exciting product portfolios of many different companies, aftermarket companies, and I'm really excited to promote that here in the market here in India.
And last few words from your side in terms of how promising the show is and what is your promise and communication to the distributors, retailers, and most importantly the customers coming and walking into your pavilion?
I mean, how promising the show is, this can be answered by the visuals, what we see right now. It means just a couple of hours that we have gone into the morning session and our booth is buzzing with the visitors. The promise that of course we have from our side is that we continue to focus upon the 3 aspects into the aftermarket space. One of course is the digitization. As we speak along, it's just not the products we are talking about. We have an amalgamation of the products which are very strongly supported by the services and with the digitized platforms in terms of how we kind of interact with our customers on a day-to-day basis. The second of course is we are absolutely having a very strong focus on the quality and the cost consciousness. So we want to make sure that we continue to serve the market, our business partners with our products which are optimum priced and at giving a very, very strong OE endorsed quality. Third of course is we are also working towards the sustainability part, and here when we talk about sustainability, it's not just related to the product specific, we are also focusing as to how our packaging etc. related services what we are giving to the aftermarket are encompassing within those sustainability norms.
Perfect. Thank you, Sharad. Thank you, Micah. We wish you all the best for the rest of the days and good luck.
Thank you so much.